folks. Tom Middleston, the Regional Vice President for Palm Harbor Homes here in the Houston area. We're prepared for the hurricane season this year. Palm Harbor's weathered all of the storms, going all the way back to 1992 in South Florida. And we're standing here in the Somerset today. Nick, why do we call it the Somerset?
It's the Somerset because it's summertime, guys. This is where you want to spend your summers with your family in this house. Okay? This house is built in many different ways. A 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, or even a 5-bedroom. Okay? It's gorgeous. It's one of our best-selling houses in the company's history. Come see it. You don't need an appointment. We'll roll out the red carpet for you and your family. And again,
it's hurricane season. Be prepared. Live in a Palm Harbor.